Ladies and gentlemen, it is a 1-point difference.
I've fought to get here. I've fought to be here. I'm here for a reason.
Carlos might be a lower seed, but he's done this so many more times than I have.
To the randomizer. Follow me, chefs. Let's get after it. Here's Ghost Protein.
Champagne brunch.
Champagne brunch.
We love that.
Chef's respin. Immersion blender. Shishito peppers. Beef. Which one would you two like to agree on respinning?
Style. Do it.
Updated classic. Good luck. You're going.
Steak and potatoes are like a very classic thing, and that's the first thing that goes to my mind. I'm gonna do a play on steak au poivre with shishito, green peppercorn au poivre, and then steak frites.
I think that if I can do something nobody's ever had before, I can win this round. I think I'm gonna take on beef tartare with lots of chilies and spices.
To add to the peppers that are normally in a au poivre sauce, which means peppers.
For my tartare, I'm gonna make shishito salsa. I take shishitos, tomatillos, onions, and fennel, and I put them all on the grill. I'm trying to do things that are different.
So I heavily seasoned my steaks. I crusted with so much of that freshly cracked peppercorns. Butter. More butter, why not?
Okay, we're gonna work on the really rich egg yolk aji amarillo sauce. I want it to feel like it's a yolk. Different, updated, flavor.
I'm using a pot to cook the fries just so that they're nice and creamy on the inside. And then when you fry them, it gets really crispy. I love the au poivre sauce. I'm going to use a little bit of beef stock, but I really want to update the classic, and so I add in my shishito cream. I hope this is updated enough to beat Carlos. So I want to make sure I have shishitos on the plate. I'm going to make shishito tempura.
Okay.
The chefs are going to be looking for extraordinary knife work.
So now that I have the tartare cut, I need to work on the ingredients inside of it. I'm putting shallots, mango, shishitos, and fresh herbs all in here. I'm gonna take this tartare, I'm gonna put it in a mold, I'm gonna sear the top.
2 minutes.
So the sauce is gonna be on the bottom. I slice my steaks. It reads steak frites, but updated.
The first thing I need to do is to sauce up my shishito salsa. Add crispy plantain chips. My tartare that has been stuck in these ring molds, I add that beautiful aji amarillo egg yolk. So it looks like a little egg on top of this tartare.
3, 2, 1. That's it.
Let's go, bring in the judges.
This is a classic, a modern twist on a classic, but it's also playful.
I think this shishito salsa is money.
But the big wow element here is that they're searing the tartare itself. Go all in or go home. Otherwise, it seemed a little bit pointless to me.
This is fun. Beautiful presentation. There's a lot to love on a dish like this.
And this sauce is absolutely delicious.
I'm not sure that pureeing shishito peppers really updates the classic.
Thank you very much, judges. Ladies and gentlemen, it is a 1-point difference. Total score of 80 to 79. And the winner is Nini Nguyen.
Wow.
Wow, wow, wow.
That one hurts. I thought I was swinging for the fences.